Hi, Dylan here with Wiz-Tec. Today I'll be showing you Wiz-Tec's ONICS Fleet, a part of our line of unattended car wash kiosks. The ONICS Fleet is our solution for high-volume self-serve bays and commercial washes. These kiosks connect to iPods to let you control your bays directly from your point-of-sale touchscreen. You'll be able to start, stop, and monitor your equipment right from your C-store. Our fleet unit connects to your equipment via relay to communicate with your rotary dial. We've set it up this way because using the rotary dial for wash cycle selection helps keep your touchscreen in good shape for much longer. Let me show you how it works. So here I'm going to use my fleet card. So I'm going to pick the option for it. Now it's telling me I can enter my fleet number or I can simply put in my card. I'm going to pick the 20-minute. Yes. And now I've just activated it and it's going to go to my charge account. So here I'm going to select debit or credit. Pick the 10 minutes. Confirmation yes. And now we've just authorized the bay for $10. And now once you're done, you just hit the finish. So now I'm going to use a wash code, and this was a code that I bought from the cashier and they gave to me. So I'm going to pick the code option. My code is 67109. And it just activates right away from it. Managing commercial accounts is a breeze with our fleet kiosk, since you'll be able to set up a master and sub-account structure, making invoicing easier for both you and your customers. ONICS Fleet will automatically post all the transactions to your iPOS system in store, so you don't have to spend time compiling all your sales reports individually. All our ONICS products are also EMV certified and PCI compliant, so you'll never have to worry about the liability shift for your business. ONICS hardware is behind every transaction, so you'll also be getting Canada's #1 payment processor. If you're interested in learning more about the ONICS Fleet, visit our website at www.wiz-tec.ca or reach out to us at 1-866-361-7846.